Can you carry your sled? Oh wait, you don't have any control.
Out of my way. Now.
He's talking to you, Carson.
Dylan.
There's Brooke. There's Dylan.
Hey, Matt, you got it?
Dylan's stuck.
Send her down.
Oh, Dylan might get up. Busy. Uh-oh.
Well, they were steps.
Go ahead, Dylan. Push up. Hold on, Tara. Hold on.
All right, here, Bill.
I'm
Hold
not
on,
going
buddy.
anywhere. I'm just trying to
You got him?
I just want to see if he can stand up.
Yeah.
Can we get out of the way?
You actually weren't in the way.
Just lay her down like she's Moses in the little basket. Float her down.
Ready?
Brooks first snow float something. Yay, Brooke.
My turn.
There's Dylan with his pink doggy gloves.
You ready? Let's go!
You're gonna go by yourself this time.
Yeah, now that I fixed the fireplace, the family room's like 80 degrees.
You didn't know you had a blower and all?
Oh no, we had a blower. We just boogie board, dog, Carson, face. No, but you can adjust how much it blows out.
Right, yeah.
So we turn it down. It's actually more efficient blowing the heat out.
Really?
But you can hear.
But yeah, you're not blown away with.
Right.
Hey, Brooke.
There you go.
There's Blue.
Hold on here.
Alright, let's see it.
Here comes
Guinness.
Guinness. Or Dylan. Come on, bud.
Ready? Go.
Come on. Here he comes. Here he comes. Yay, Dylan.